In this video, we explain how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids using simple tools, smart planning, and teamwork. More than 4,500 years ago, ancient Egyptians built massive pyramids using simple tools. But how did they move millions of heavy stones without modern machines? Before building began, architects carefully planned the pyramid's shape using geometry and astronomy. Workers cut massive limestone blocks from quarries using copper tools and wooden wedges. Stones were transported on wooden sleds, pulled by teams of workers across wet sand to reduce friction. To lift stones higher, Egyptians built ramps made of mud bricks and sand. Each stone was carefully placed and aligned to create the pyramid's precise shape. Inside the pyramid, hidden chambers and passageways were built for the pharaoh's tomb. The outer surface was covered with smooth white limestone, making the pyramid shine in the sun. Historians still debate exactly how the pyramids were built, with theories including spiral ramps and advanced techniques. The pyramids remain one of humanity's greatest achievements, showing the power of teamwork, planning, and ancient engineering.